How to update DirectX on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head toward Window plus R and open the Run tab at the bottom and type DirectX. Once you do, you will see this window on your screen, and by that you will be able to see the version of your DirectX. Once you are able to see the version, go to Setting. You can simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Setting. Then go to Windows option from the left hand side menu and click on Check for Update. If there is any availability of update, simply click on it and do update the Windows. With that, the DirectX will also be updated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.